Okay, so that's a really good question. We picked up on this before, okay? Strictly speaking, I'm not using this version of the formula, okay? Strictly speaking, what I've done here is I've got rid of the dx's on each side. So what I'm using is not this formula, I'm using this formula. Okay, that's the formula I'm using, right? So because these two things effectively just cancel, you can write it as that thing and it's easier to remember. Rather than trying to remember integral of u times by dv by dx times by dx has got to be equal to uv minus the integral of v times by du by dx all multiplied by dx. That's harder to remember than integral of u dv is equal to uv minus v integral of v du. Yeah? So effectively I'm using this formula, which is why I'm still writing the dx there. Okay? So I don't actually mean dv there, I mean dv by dx. Is that okay?
That's dx.
Yeah, it's just I've decided to get rid of the dx's in my original formula because it's a little bit easier to remember. Yeah, but strictly speaking, you do need that there because remember where the integration comes from? Integration is just simply the infinitesimal sum. Okay, that's the height of my rectangle, that's the width of my rectangle, and I'm just adding them all together. Yeah, so I need to still have that dx there. Is that okay?